Hi Kipsters, today we're going to practice adding using a number line. A number line is another strategy that we sometimes use to help us figure out the answer to math problems. Let's practice doing a couple of problems together on a number line. Notice I'm going to start with the number 1 and I'm going to move forward 1. If I start on 1 and I move forward 1 time, my answer is going to be 2. Wherever you land on the number line, your answer is where you land. So the number line is actually kind of special. It tells you the answers. Let's do that again. First, let's look at a number sentence. 1 plus 1 equals what? I don't know. Let's start on 1. Let's move forward 1 time. Our answer is 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So you would put the number 2 right here because that is what the number line told us. Let's see what the number line tells us for the answer for this next sentence. It says 2 plus 1 equals what? I don't know. Let's look at the number line. Let's start on 2 and let's move forward 1. So the answer is 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So I'll put the 3 here. So now it's your turn. You're going to practice using the number line. Remember, you're going to start where the number line tells you to start. Here it tells you to start on 3. And you're going to move forward 1 time for the problem because it says to add 1. Wherever you land on the number line will be your answer. After you're done finding the answers for your problems, I want you to color in the pictures over here to match the problem. Remember to use 2 different colors so that we can see what you add. For instance, if this says 1 plus 1 equals 2, then you would color the first circle one color. Let's do that together. Let me find a circle here. Starts off big, but I can make it smaller. All right, so we got one circle here because it told us to color 1 first, plus 1. So we got to color 1 more because it says plus 1. But I'm going to do that circle in a different color. So let's see. Here's my other circle. And let's make that color red for Alabama. So we've got 1 plus 1 equals 2 circles. I want you to finish this using your number line and then finish coloring in the circles to match the pictures. I hope you're having a great day today.